Hi, are you feeling bored and disconnected in this lockdown and craving to be with people who care while having a lot of fun doing it? We have the key to happiness for you. Keep watching.
This pandemic has not been a pleasant experience for any of us.
Let's take some time for ourselves. Get together. De-stress in this fun shop we here at Mediclown have created for you.
We will empower you with 7 ways to transform yourself and the people around you. You will learn a lot about yourself and how to find happiness every day. Even share it with others.
Managing your busy schedule during these difficult times does not always bring out the best version of yourself.
But this is going to be a transformative experience, connecting you with others, rediscovering and loving yourself while having a joyful time filled with laughter.
This is going to be a treat for your mental, physical and emotional health. All you need to do is come with an open mind and heart.
I've done many workshops before. ஆனால் இங்கே என்ன வித்தியாசம்னா other workshops will try to understand like how to attract audience and how to present yourself, kind of those stuff. ஆனால் இந்த workshopல you will have a self-realization, how to love yourself, how to spread that love and how to spread that love to others.
Basically, we all are in a search of escaping from the reality. So, in the workshop, I learn making the reality beautiful so that you never want to escape from that. So, that's the main thing which I learned from this workshop.
If you want to experience the magic that others have experienced taking these fun shops,
Take a break from those meetings, phone calls, workshops, and just unwind and experience something like never before.
registration details are in the description and in the comments below.
Oh, and did we mention this is not one of these boring webinars, but a fun shop? So come have some fun with us. And don't forget to like or subscribe on your way out. See you there.